Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another YouTube video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy this Little Rabbit LTRBT token coin using Trust Wallet. Little Rabbit is the token coin based on the Binance Smart Chain. The Little Rabbit initials LTRBT was listed on this CoinGecko.com around 24 hours ago. The current trading volume of this coin is over 1.5 millions, and if you see the price, it is already up by more than 150%. If you see the current graph of the coin, it is on incremental way. I'm not sure how much money can you really make with this penny stocks investment, but like always, I say it again, please do your own research before investing on the market. The purpose of this video is to show you how to buy this Little Rabbit token coin using Trust Wallet. So if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Smash that like button and share this video with others. Hit that bell notification icon so next time when I make a video like this, you will be notified. So let's find out what exactly this Little Rabbit coin is about. So this is look like your investment with a yield farming mechanism. As this website lacks lots of documentation and information, they do have a roadmap though, but as always, I say it again, please do your own research before investment. So without further ado, let me show you how to buy this Little Rabbit token coin using Trust Wallet. As usual, I'm going to share my Trust Wallet and do all these activities using mobile phone. On the Trust Wallet, if you don't have this browser option, the 4 dot underneath, please go to your browser and type trust:/browser_enable on your mobile phone. If you press go in your mobile phone, your browser will ask to open this page on the Trust. If you click to open, you will have this browser option enabled on your Trust Wallet. Once you have a browser option enabled on your Trust Wallet, you can go to this browser option and scroll down a little. If you go to this popular section, you can see PancakeSwap on the popular section. As we can buy this Little Rabbit coin using PancakeSwap version 2, we are going to perform this on the PancakeSwap. So you need to have some BNB Smart Chain balance. BNB Smart Chain is different than the BNB coin. This is a BNB coin and this one is the BNB Smart Chain. So if you don't know how to buy this BNB and transfer to your Trust Wallet, please look for this video how to connect Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap in my YouTube channel. To buy this coin using PancakeSwap, please click on it. For the first time, you will be asked to connect. Click to connect and choose your wallet. I have a Trust Wallet, so I'm going to click Trust Wallet. Once you are connected, it is going to look like this. Once you have a BNB in your account, you can buy this Little Rabbit coin using Trust Wallet. As you can see, I have a 0.0323184 of BNB Smart Chain. So I'm going to open my mobile browser and find the contract on the CoinGecko.com for the Little Rabbit initials LTRBT token coin Binance Smart Chain contract code. So I just copied my contract code and I'm back to my Trust Wallet. On the select currency, I'm going to click here and paste the contract code that I copied from the CoinGecko.com. As PancakeSwap is suggesting us the currency, and this is exactly the currency we are about to buy it. So I'm going to click it and it is selected now. So based on my balance, I'm going to buy this coin using 0.01 BNB amount. With 0.01 of BNB, I'm going to have a lots of millions of token coin in my wallet. So I'm going to click to swipe and see the confirmation swipe the window. In this window, you can see how many of these token coin I'm going to receive and what will be the price impact and liquidity provider fee. So there is a price changes. I'm going to click to accept and I'm going to click to confirm swipe. So as you can see, my Trust Wallet is activated now and you can see the more detailed price. The worth of 0.01 BNB, which is $3.31. I'll be paying 0.38 cents of network fee and in total $3.70 for all this coin. Once I click to send, the transaction will execute it, and as you can see, we can head to the BSC scan to see our hash code. The transaction hash is there, the status is succeed, so I am expecting my little rabbit token coin anytime soon in my Trust Wallet. So let's go back to the Trust Wallet and see if I already have my little rabbit token coin in my Trust Wallet. So sometimes you can even go here and search for the coin. And if you find the coin here, you can simply tap it and enable it. So when the coin will be arrived, you can see in your Trust Wallet homepage. As you can see, my little rabbit token coin has arrived in my Trust Wallet with lots of number in it. I'm not sure how many little rabbit token coin I just received. That's a lots of amount. As you can see, there is no value attached in this token coin right now. As you can see, this is a BEP20 token coin and this is fairly a very new token coin. This is why the value has not yet listed. It will take some time for Trust Wallet to show some values on this token. So we receive our token in our Trust Wallet. I have no idea why this little rabbit is in the last on the list. So this is all in this video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel, smash that like button and share this video with others. Until then, take care and see you.